In this video, we'll look at the tag list function, as this is typically where a user will begin when requesting data from the historian. The tag list will act as an input to the first 6 functions we see in the ribbon. To begin, we'll select the tag list button, where we'll be prompted to authenticate if we're not already signed in. A menu will appear on the right where we can select the tags of our choice. The tag window will provide a preview of the first 1,000 tags. We can narrow the tags we're looking for by selecting a view from the search path dropdown. Continuing this process, we can walk down the hierarchy by selecting the next branch in the tag path. Branches are separated by periods. Clicking the previous branch will reset the drop-down menu and walk back up the path. With each click, the tag window updates with the first 1,000 tags that fall under that branch. Furthermore, keywords separated by spaces can be used to filter the tag list. Keywords can be prepended with an exclamation mark to exclude them from the filter. Once the list has been narrowed down to our liking, we can decide if we want to output the list vertically or horizontally. Then determine the output location. We'll select a cell, then click the Set button. With our settings finalized, click Apply or OK. Let's do that again, only this time, maybe we only want to choose certain tags from our list. We can select specific tags using a Control click or Shift click. With our tag list created, we're now ready to pass it into the next function, but we'll look at those in other videos. That's all for the tag list. Thanks for watching.